With summer right around the corner, your leather needs a spring cleaning. Now it might not look very bad, but leather does a good job of hiding its grime and contamination. It does this by its looks just changing slightly and gradually over time, but it might be dirty, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make it look fresh again. Let's clean leather the GYEON way. There are two different leather cleaners available from GYEON. We have Leather Cleaner Mild, which will soon be changing to Leather Cleaner Natural, and then we have Leather Cleaner Strong. Now, the difference between the two is in the name. One's going to be more of a light maintenance cleaner, or maybe it's going to be the one that you use to prepare your new seats for a ceramic coating like Leather Shield. And the other one is going to be the workhorse. This is going to be for the really dirty and neglected seats. Now, what tools are we using with these two cleaners? First, we're using the GYEON leather brush. This is a soft bristle brush that allows you to get into the crevices and cracks between cushions, as well as around stitching on seats. For the larger areas, I'm going with the scrub pad. This is a bendable tool that's fairly new to GYEON's lineup, and it's not just limited to leather. It can use it with a different cleaner on a bunch of different interior surfaces. It's very handy to have this one. Also, we need towels. So I'm going with GYEON's Leather White. This white short pile towel is going to be great for after we agitate these two cleaners on the seats and all that grime and contamination is being held in that cleaner. We're going to use this to wipe it and remove it. The white towel also shows you how much dirt and contamination you're removing from your leather, which is a cool touch. So let's get started. Always vacuum your working area before you use any sort of cleaners. Then I like to take a closer look at what I am working with. If I determine that the leather isn't that bad, then I'm choosing Leather Cleaner Mild and will be only spraying it into my tool to control overspray onto other interior pieces. If the leather is absolutely cooked, I'm picking up the strong variant and will be spraying it directly onto the surface in addition to in the tool. Once we are hands-on with the products, I am agitating them in circular motions. You can use these cleaners with a little bit of water to get more suds if you would like to, and don't forget to work all of the stitching and cavities on your leather surfaces. Once the whole working area is scrubbed, it's time to remove the cleaner. For best results, we're using 3 different towels and wipe them in straight motions. The first wipe will remove the majority of the contamination and the cleaner. Then we wipe it with a damp towel to remove all of the rest of the cleaner that is still on the surface. And last but not least, we wipe it all down with a clean towel to dry the surface. Now we have beautiful clean leather in all its glory. These Tesla seats are looking way better, and here is the cool part. You can go straight from these two cleaners to a leather protectant. You don't need to do a degreaser step, and that's because these products don't contain any sort of softeners or conditioners. You can go straight to a product like GYEON Leather Coat or GYEON Leather Shield, but you want to make sure that the seats are completely dry, so please take that into consideration. I also want to mention that these products aren't just limited to automotive leather, so you can use them on leather bags or maybe even leather sneakers. If you have any questions about the products or process as seen in this video, feel free to reach out to our website or social media channels. If you like detailing content in general, also consider subscribing. Catch you all later.